What if AI could think, use tools, and complete tasks automatically? That's exactly what OpenAI Agents SDK is making possible. OpenAI Agents SDK is a powerful framework that helps developers build intelligent AI agents using OpenAI models. It's not just a chatbot, it's a complete system that can reason, plan, and take action. With Agents SDK, AI can use tools like web search and code execution. It can make smart decisions based on context. It can complete multi-step workflows automatically. And it can even hand off tasks to other specialized agents. This is a massive shift. We are moving from simple chatbots that just answer questions to intelligent AI systems that actually take actions. Many experts believe AI agents will become the future of productivity and automation. From customer service to software development, AI agents are already changing how work gets done. Would you trust an AI agent to work for you? Follow for more AI content.